Installing ScripTouch OpenOffice Calc plugin and signing a spreadsheet on Windows. Before you begin, you will need the latest version of OpenOffice Calc installed. Note, this must be installed before sign and save. A Scriptel ScripTouch signature pad connected to your computer. The latest version of ScripTouch sign and save installed. Need help? Check out the link to our handy guide in the description. Step 1. Installing the OpenOffice plugin. Open a browser and navigate to scriptel.com/support/downloads. Check the box for Include plugins for third-party software. Then select Apache Open Office in the dropdown. Scroll down the page and click the Download Now button for ScripTouch OpenOffice 4.0 extension. Once the download finishes, run the installer. Read and agree to the end-user license agreement. Step 2. Signing a document. Open the document that you want to sign. Click on View, then Toolbars, then Scriptel ScripTouch, and make sure it is enabled. Click the Insert Signature button at the top of the window to open Sign and Save. You can now sign on the signature pad. You will see your signature appear in the window. After you have signed, press either OK on the pad or Accept in the Sign and Save window. Click and drag your signature to reposition it. Click the handles along the outside to resize it. Your signature was successfully applied. If you are having problems with Scriptel products, please contact our customer support by email support@my.scriptel.com, by phone 844-972-7478.